Hi friends, I'm having a radio repaired today. You can see the full name on the screen. After connecting the power cable, the radio doesn't work, only the LED lights up. This indicates voltage is present at the input, meaning the cable isn't damaged. Let's take it apart and look for the problem. Now you need to remember the wire layout. One wire goes to the buttons and the other to the speaker. This wire goes to the LED backlight. And this wire goes to the batteries. Let's take a look at the power supply. I removed the power supply and here's what I found. The first problem is a burnt-out resistor. There's a black spot on it, indicating it's burned out. The second problem is on the back of the board. There, too, a burnt-out resistor. Unfortunately, the markings on it are impossible to read because they've turned to carbon. The markings on the SMD resistor are legible, but they're illegible on the tubular resistor. At full load, the power supply shows around 800 milliamps for this entire device, even with the flashlight on. A minimum 1 amp power supply is required. I ordered one and have already installed it. I'll show you how. The power supply I purchased has an LED indicating power is being supplied. I desoldered the LED from there and ran wires to the standard factory installed LED. This restored the power supply's power indication. I also made another connector for easy battery connection and connected it to the board. These two connectors receive power from both the power supply and the battery. I also soldered a diode to the battery output to prevent current from flowing to the battery when powered by the power supply. Otherwise, the battery could explode or fail. This means that 220 volts are supplied to the power supply, but 5 volts are supplied to the board. I installed the board in the opening and it sits snugly there. I also applied thermal tape on top for additional fixation and insulation. Now I need to fully reassemble the case and test the device. As you can hear, the radio is now working. Now the radio works, let's check the backlight. All the switches on top also work. All the indicators are working properly. I hope the video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel and see you in future videos. Bye!